we are here with practice at 6.1 standard 8 mathematics, and here we are going to factorize. It means the trinomial given here, we have to find the factors. Now how to find the factors? It is very easy. See, there are three terms here. The middle term you will call it sum, okay, and the first and the third term you will call it product. Okay, so your 18, your coefficient is 1. What is 18 ones-a? 18 ones-a is 18. So you will write the product here, first and third term product you will write here, okay, and you will tell me the factors of 18 such that we get the middle term, we get the sum. Okay, so 18 comes in which table? It comes in the table of 2. 2 nines are, I will get 18, but I am not getting 9, so I'll not take that. Okay, then it comes in the table of 6. Yes or no? So yes, 6 threes are, 6 plus 3 is giving me 9, and multiplication is giving me 18. Okay, so you have to write the factors only which give you the product 18 and the sum as the middle term. Okay, so this type of factorization is called splitting the middle term. Okay, we have to write the middle term 9x, I can write it as 6 plus 3. Okay, so how are we going to write this? Just see, x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. Okay, 9x I have split into 6x plus 3x. Okay, now here first two terms you have to take common. What is common? X is common. What remains? X plus 6 remains. Okay, plus what is common here? 3 is common. What remains? X plus 6 remains. Okay, students, you have to check in the second step that this bracket, if it comes same, then your answer is correct. Okay, now x plus 6 is common here, so I'll write x plus 6. What remains is x plus 3. So this is how you got these two brackets, the factors of x square plus 9x plus 18. Students, maybe initially it will be slightly difficult for you, but once you do 4 sums, 5 sums, 6 sums, so the exercise will be very much easier for you. Okay, so here we'll come on to second one, where the question given is x square minus 10x plus 9. Okay, you can see first and third term is 9 ones-a, so I'll write here 9. Okay, I want the factor such that it should give me the middle term 10. Sorry, not 10, I'll write here minus 10. Okay, so how will I get 10 here? 9 has only, I think so, 2 factors. 3 threes are 3, and 3 will not give me minus 10. Okay, so what will give me minus 10? Another factor of 9 is, it doesn't come in the table of 4, 5, 6, so it comes in the table of 9 ones-a. Okay, so yes, 9 ones-a will give me 9 ones-a will give me 9. And how will I get minus 10 here? Very simple. Minus 9 I want, so minus 9 minus 1. Okay, this is how you have to arrange. Okay, so x square minus 10x, I'll make it minus 9x minus 1x. Okay, minus 1x I can write minus x plus 9. Okay, so here x common, x minus 9 minus, nothing is common here, nothing is common here, so take 1 as common. What remains inside? X minus 9 remains inside, because plus is sign is there and you have taken minus outside, so minus minus will become plus. Okay, now what is common? X minus 9 is common. What remains now? X minus 1. Okay, so this is how we do. Let us move on to third one. Third one is y square plus 24y plus 144. Okay, so here, as you can see, first and third term, what is the product? 144. I want the factors of 144 such that I get 24. You know 144 comes in which table? It comes in the table of 12 12s are, 16 9s are, okay, 18 8s are, okay, 18 8s I am not getting, 16 9s are also I am not getting 24, 12 12s I am getting. See, 12 12 times, 12 12 times is 144, and if I add I'll get plus 24. So very easy. So I'll write y square plus 12y plus 12y plus 144. Okay, now this is, you can see y is common, y plus 12 plus 12 common, y plus 12. Okay, understood? Now what remains here? Y plus 12 is common, y plus 12 remains. So you got two brackets of the same number. Okay, so we'll move on to fourth one, which is 5y square plus 5y minus 10. So for the first time you are getting the coefficient of first term other than 1. Okay, so let us see first and third. What is the product? 10 5 is 50. Rather I'll write minus 50. Okay, I want the factors of 50 such that the middle term is 5. I want it 5. How will I get 50? Very simple, you know 10 5s are. Okay, so 10 5s are, I'll write 10 5s are, I am getting here 5, but I want here plus 5 and here I want minus 50. So simple, here I'll put minus 5. 10 into minus 5 I will get minus 50, and 10 minus 5 I'll get plus 5. Okay, so this is how you will write 5y square plus 10y minus 5y minus 10. So 5y we have written, 10y minus 5y. Okay, now what is common here? 5y is common. What remains? Y plus 2 remains. Okay, minus 5 is common. Okay, so what remains? Y plus 2 remains. Again, y plus 2 is common, so what remains? 5y minus 5 remains. Okay, now if you observe here carefully the last step, it is 5y minus 5. Okay, so what I'll do here is, this 5 I can take common here, so 5 I am taking common. Okay, this will be only y minus 1. Okay, 5 I have taken outside. Clear? So let us move on to fifth one. So fifth one is p square minus 2p minus 35. So you can see here it is 1 into 35, I'll write minus 35. So factors of 35 such that I want minus 2 as the addition. So 35 does not have too many factors, it comes in the table of 5. Okay, 5 7s are yes, 7 5s I am getting 35. So I'll write greater number here. Greater number always you will write first. Okay, 7 5s are 35. I want minus, so minus I'll put here, greater number I'll give minus 7 plus 5 will give me minus 2. Okay, so p square minus 7p plus 5p minus 35. Okay, now p is common, p minus 7 remains. Okay, plus 5 is common, p minus 7 remains. Okay, now p minus 7 common, p plus 5 remains. Okay, then we'll come here. The product is minus 44. You can see minus 44 ones are. I want the factors of 44 such that I'll get minus 7. So what are the factors of 44? 44 comes in which table? It comes in the table of 2. group 22 times, it will not give me minus 7. Then it comes in the table of 4. Yes, 11 fours yes, 11 fours will give me 7. So 11 4 times. How will I get 7? Minus 11 minus 4, no, minus 11 plus 4 will give me minus 7. Okay, so this is how I'll write p square minus 11p plus 4p minus 44. Okay, p common, p minus 11 plus 4 common, p minus 11. Okay, p minus 11, p plus 4. Okay, so this is how you will factorize. Okay, we'll move on to seventh one. Seventh one is m square minus 23m plus 120. Okay, now if you see, I want 120 as the product and this minus 23 as the sum. So 120 does not have too many factors. 12 tens will give me 120. Okay, then 24 5 times is also 120. Okay, so if you are not getting children, 15 eights are, yes, 15 8, 120 comes in the table of 15 also. So you will write 15 eights are, you are getting 23. Okay, but you want minus 23, so very simple, minus minus. Okay, so you will write here m square minus 15m minus 8m plus 120. m minus 15 minus 8, m minus 15, m minus 15, m minus 8. Okay, this is how you will do, this is how you will find the factors, very simple. Okay, so now let us move on to eighth one, which is m square minus 25m plus 100. Okay, 100 does not have too many factors. 10 tens I want sum to be minus 25. 10 tens will give me 100, but it will not give me 25. And another one is 25s. Yes, 25s will give me 100. And how will I get minus 25? Minus 20 minus 5. Okay, so how will I solve this? M square minus 20m minus 5m plus 100. Okay, so this will be m common, m minus 20 minus 5 common, m minus 20, m minus 20, m minus 5. Okay, then we'll come on to ninth one. So ninth one is 3x square plus 14x plus 15. First and third term you can see 15 3s is 45. So I want the factors of 45 such that I want the total to be 14. How will I get 45? Comes in which table? It comes in the table of 3. 15 3s are, no, I am not getting 15 3s are 14, I am not getting. Then I have 9 5s are, 5 9s are, correct. 9 and 5 will give me 14. So 9 and 5, everything is plus, so no question of putting sign. 3 square plus 9x plus 5x, okay, plus 15. 3x common, x plus 9 remains, plus 5 common, x plus 3 remains. Okay, here also I beg your pardon, this will be 3. Okay, now what is common here? X plus 3 common, 3x plus 5 remains. Okay, now this is You can see the product here is 45 2s are 90. I will write it minus 90, and sum I want 1. Very simple. 90, 10 nines are very simple. 10 nines are will give you the answer 1. I want minus 90, so 10 minus 9 plus 1, and this will be minus 90. So 2x square plus 10x minus 9x. 10 minus 9 will give me 1 minus 45. What is common here? 2x is common, x plus 5 remains. Minus 9 is common, x plus 5 remains. What is common now? X plus 5 is common, 2x minus 9 remains. Okay, 11. 11th one is 20x square minus 26x plus 8. Okay, now in such a question where you can observe everything, every number is even. Okay, so there has to be something common. Okay, so I'll take 2 as common. So here 2 is common. I'll write 10x square minus 13x plus 4. Okay, now you can see I'm just keeping 2 aside, and this I'm taking it as the term that we have to find the split the middle term. We have to factorize. So 10 4s is 40, and I want the factors of 40 such that I'll get minus 13. How will you get 10 4s are? No, 10 4s are 40, but it will not give you 13. Then any other factors? 10, 13, 4. What will be the factors? 40 does not come in many tables, so it comes in the table of 8. Yes, 8 5s will give me 8 and 5. How will I get? Minus 8 minus 5. Okay, so 10x square minus 8x minus 5x plus 4. Okay, now 2. This is 10x square minus 8x. What will I take common? 2x I'll take common. What remains? 5x minus 4 remains. Okay, minus nothing is common, so I'll take 1. 5x minus 4 remains. Okay, then 2 common. What remains? 5x minus 4 remains, and 2x minus 1 remains. Okay, then you have 12th one. 12th one is 44x square minus x minus 3. Okay, so what is the product? 44 3 times. What is 44 3 times? 4 3s are 12. It is 132. 43 is 120, so we'll just add 12 to it. Okay, and the sum you want minus 1. How will you get 132? The factors of 132 such that you want minus 1. Now in such a case, children, where you don't know, like if I tell you 90, you can easily tell me some tables like 18 5s are, 10 9s are, but if I tell you 132, you cannot tell me which table it comes into. Okay, there will be many tables. So in that case, what to do? You will do this in rough work. 132. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 6 are 12, 2 33, then 3 11, 11 1s are. Okay, so these are the factors. Now you will make the pairs such that you will get minus 1. Okay, so I'll make the pair of this number first. 2 2s are 4, 11 3s are 33. No, very wrong. Okay, so I'll make another pair. Okay, the boxes I have drawn just to show you. Okay, now I'll make this pair. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, and this as 11. Yes, I am getting 12 into 11. If you do it is 132, and 12 minus 11 will give you minus 1. Okay, minus 12 plus 1 will give you. So this is how you will factorize this. This is how you will find the prime factors and make the groups. Okay, if we would have not got this with this group, this pair, then we would have got for some other arrangement like 11 threes and this the another number. I am just giving an example how we could have got with the other pair. Okay, then we have got it 12 and 11. So I'll just write this is minus 12 and plus 11. Okay, so your answer is 44x square minus 12x plus 11x minus 3. What will I take common here? 2 or 4? Yes, I'll take 4. 4x common, 11x minus 3 remains, plus nothing is common here, so I'll take 1. 11x minus 3 remains. Okay, now 11x minus 3 is common. What remains is 4x plus 1. Okay, so with this we come to the end of practice at 6.1. Okay, keep practicing, children. I hope you understand all the sums that I am explaining. Okay, so goodbye, good luck.